Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine. And doing well with good health and very happiness. You have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. More different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, much more stylish and latest collection, latest ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of stitching. Some ideas in fitted, some loose, easy and comfortable. So beautiful collection of hair styling. So beautiful collection of messy hairstyle. Different ideas of spiky hairstyle. And different collection of messy hairstyle and different ideas of haircut. So beautiful collection of Hidai, Hidai in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so attractive ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut. Bob haircut. Haircut, wedge haircut. Different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And many much more beautiful and latest collection, trendy ideas. Of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. You like it. I guess you try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Insta and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dart back with new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.